Each individual has their own unique set of aspirations, but the one thing that remains a universal desire is wealth. It is safe to say that every person on this planet desires to have money. Therefore, our discussion today will revolve around money. Specifically, we will explore how the teachings of Neville Goddard can be utilized to attain wealth. How can Goddard's principles aid in the manifestation of financial prosperity? By the end of this video, I assure you that you will never have to worry about money again. So pay close attention to what I am about to share, and I urge you to watch this video till the end. And if you are a new viewer, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon, because we teach you how you can use the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings to manifest your desires. So let's now jump right into it. Neville Goddard's law of assumption is a principle that states that what we expect is what we get. In other words, our beliefs and assumptions shape our reality. This principle has been widely embraced as one of the most effective manifestation techniques worldwide. Goddard emphasizes the power of imagination and the impact that our thoughts have on our lives. According to Goddard, everything we encounter in life is a result of our actions and thoughts. Our current circumstances are a reflection of our assumptions about ourselves and the world around us. He emphasizes that we are not victims of circumstance, but rather creators of our own reality. The law of assumption suggests that we have the power to change our reality by changing our assumptions. If we can imagine a different reality and believe that it is possible, we can manifest that reality into existence. This is why visualization and positive thinking are such powerful tools for manifestation. Goddard's teachings also suggest that everything in our lives is materialized. This means that everything we experience is a manifestation of our consciousness. If we want to change our circumstances, we must first change our thoughts and beliefs. Now let's talk about money. Money is a crucial aspect of life, and it can significantly impact our overall well-being. Financial struggles can be overwhelming, and it is essential to understand the underlying causes that may have led to the current situation. It is easy to place blame on external factors such as the economy, circumstances, or even other people. However, according to the law of assumption, this approach is counterproductive. The law of assumption states that everything that happens in our lives is a direct result of our thoughts and assumptions. Therefore, if you are currently cash-strapped, it is because you assume money and who you are. You may have made certain decisions that prevented money from finding you, which led to your current financial situation. It is important to take accountability for your financial loss, as no one is to blame for the things that happen in your life. It is crucial to understand that the decisions, activities, and actions you take directly impact your financial situation. It may be tempting to blame others or external factors, but this approach only serves as a hindrance to your progress. You must take responsibility for your decisions and recognize the role they play in your life. The law of assumption prohibits blaming others for our own mistakes, bad decisions, and wrong actions. Instead, we must employ the ideas and images in our heads to manifest the world we desire, even if it is one that is imposed upon us. It is important to acknowledge that even if it is our own poor decisions that are pushing us to achieve something or live the life we want, we are still responsible for them. If you don't have any money, it is easy to assume that your circumstances caused it. However, it is essential to consider the possibility that you caused your financial loss. It is crucial to avoid making assumptions and take into account the possibility that you might have let someone else steal your money. It is important to recognize that our financial condition in life is entirely our fault because of our poor financial, economic, and personal mistakes. We may have missed opportunities to obtain enough money or made poor financial decisions that had impacted our financial situation negatively. However, it is crucial to acknowledge that if we had made wise financial or other decisions, we could have been worth millions of dollars today. Our thoughts and imagination create our reality, and if we had optimistic thoughts and creative ideas about money, we would be wealthy and successful. The three-dimensional world we visualize is real, and if we can imagine abundance and prosperity, we can manifest them in our lives. If you are currently cash-strapped, there are steps you can take to draw money towards you. It is essential to focus on positive thoughts and affirmations about money. Visualize yourself having enough money to pay bills, buy the things you need, and live a comfortable life. Focus on abundance and prosperity rather than scarcity and lack. Remember that the basis of everything is imagination. Imagination is the foundation of everything that exists in the world. Our thoughts are the starting point for all things, including finances. If you find yourself without money, begin by examining your thoughts. It's essential to understand your beliefs surrounding money because what you think manifests into reality. If you worry about finances, it can lead to issues. Money alone doesn't guarantee happiness, as many people believe. If you see money as a solution, it can help solve problems, but if you view it negatively, it will have a detrimental impact on your life. Regardless of your financial beliefs, they influence your reality. What you imagine can become your truth. Your current financial situation is a reflection of your thoughts and beliefs. If you believe that you cannot attract money without having it first, then you are limiting yourself. Perhaps you have negative thoughts about money like many others, believing that money is not the key to happiness or that it causes conflict. These limiting beliefs will prevent you from making money. Therefore, you need to examine your beliefs about money and transform them. Changing your mindset is the key to attracting money into your life. As Neville Goddard once said, you can change anything by changing your thoughts. You are the root of the problem and the only one who can fix it. You are the creator, and your thoughts are the agents of transformation. If you cannot change your mindset, you will continue to struggle. To attract money into your life, you must think differently. If you have negative beliefs about money, you must balance them with positive ones. If you believe that happiness cannot be bought with money, you can change that belief by seeing money as a means to purchase experiences that bring happiness. If you think money is a problem, you can shift your perspective to view it as a solution. And if you believe that creating money is impossible, you can change your belief to one that it is possible, easy, and simple to do so. It all begins with your thoughts, and anything is attainable through imagination. So how do you change your mindset and transform your beliefs about money? First, you must identify your current beliefs. What do you think about money? How do you feel when you think about money? Once you have identified your beliefs, you must evaluate whether they are helping or hindering your financial situation. If they are hindering your situation, you must transform them into positive beliefs. One way to transform your beliefs is through affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself every day. For example, if you believe that money is the root of all evil, you can transform that belief into money as a tool that can be used for good. Repeat this affirmation to yourself daily, and over time, you will begin to believe it. In order to manifest money, you must first change the way that you view money. We know that changing thoughts is one of the hardest things to do. You really do believe it now that you've given it some thought. What you have been believing for years is now reflected in your DNA. It is therefore difficult to change your way of thinking. You must work on yourself if you want to change your thoughts. There are several ways you might change the way you view money. For instance, you can use encouraging affirmations to change your thoughts. Make a list of encouraging statements about money. Money, for instance, is advantageous because it can be used to buy happiness. Money is a great source of satisfaction, and it can help me with my problems. You can write down and speak out these affirmations and others to gradually change your relationship with money. You might also imagine the scenario in your head. Write a scene that demonstrates how money can help you with your problems. These kinds of setups are easy to make and easy to visualize. Your attitudes toward money will gradually change as a result of these strategies. The best method to use the law of assumption is to make an assumption that will change your beliefs, and then try to make that assumption feel as real as you can. By setting the scene on a loop, you can build a scene in your head and replay it endlessly as your imagination creates your reality. Your presumptions will start to change your three-dimensional universe. Neville Goddard asserted that the boundaries of your three-dimensional universe are set by the constraints of your thinking. Your subconscious mind might not be aware of the value of money or the ways in which it can help you solve problems. You can change this kind of perspective by visualizing scenes that emphasize the value of money and start to think favorably about money. As a result, they are unwittingly contributing to the undesirable financial situation. Make an effort to recognize your financial views. If you can identify the concepts that are buried in your subconscious, pay close attention to how you act, especially about money. Considering that what you believe is reflected in what you do, if you discover any negative subconscious beliefs about money, you can change them using different techniques. It's important to recognize that your reality will not change until your ideas do. You cannot alter your behavior without first changing your imagination. Similarly, your habits will not change if your beliefs remain unchanged. This means that your thoughts have a significant impact on your reality, whether you realize it or not. Your assumptions, thoughts, and imagination influence your experiences, reality, and overall existence. It's crucial to understand that you already possess the sum of money you desire. The key is to reach a level of consciousness where you are aware that you have the money you desire because it became reality the moment you visualized it. Even if you are genuinely unaware that you have money in your life, you can achieve a state of consciousness where you are conscious of your financial situation. Neville Goddard once said that whatever you imagine becomes a reality as soon as you do. In other words, when you see money, you actually produce it. Thus, it has come to pass. It has already been done. Rushing is not necessary. If you believe you have already manifested money, you will surely do so. Just relax and wait. Your financial situation will change soon. Your new world is waiting for you. Simply enter your new reality. The new circumstance you have just entered is where your desire is located. Currently, you are in a condition where your desire does not exist. You have to step into the area where your desire lies, and that state was created when you visualized it, when you thought about your wish. I hope my explanation of Neville Goddard's notion of money manifestation was clear. It's important to note that while everyone will ultimately form their own opinions, this does not mean that we agree with everything he said or stood for. However, he was a remarkable teacher and an inspiration to countless people around the world. Therefore, we are exploring and discussing his theories and practices in order to gain a complete understanding of his ideology. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this concept by Neville Goddard. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.